student to our online class, Balangir Public School. Student of class 9. Today we study the subject mathematics. Last class we study the chapter 6 also, line angles, some also remaining parts. Now we study some example of some of the angle property and exterior angle. Now example here. PQR is a triangle given here. QT is the perpendicular to PR. TQR angle, this angle given the 40 degree, and SPR angle, this angle given the 30, and find the value of this value. This is given the Y degree, and this value is the X. Find the value of angle Y and X. Now here you look at in triangle. Here first given PQR is a triangle and QT perpendicular to PR. Okay, and given here this angle PQR angle 40 degree and SPR angle 30 degree. Okay, now in triangle QTR, in triangle QTR angle plus TQR angle plus PRQ angle equal to 180 degree. Okay, then QTR equal to 90 degree given, TQR 40 degree, this value is the X degree equal to 180. Then it becomes the 130 degree plus X equal to 180, and X equal to 180 minus 130 equal to 50 degree. Okay, now in triangle PSR, exterior angle which is PSQ is the exterior angle. Exterior angle equal to, we know from the theorem 6.8, sum of the interopposite angle SPR angle plus PRS angle. So this value is the Y equal to SPR is the 30, this value is the given X. So Y angle equal to 30 plus 50 equal to 80. So X value is the 50 degree and Y degree equal to 80 degree. Next, we come to the next example here. Next example. A, B, C. Given here, AB and AC of sides triangle ABC produce to point E and F, produce to side E and D. Suppose produce to point E and D here. In triangle ABC, side AB produce to point E and side AC produce to point D. Okay. Then bisector BO and CO of angle CBE and BCD angle meet at point O. Okay, here given ABC is a triangle, side AB and AC produce 2 point E and D, and bisector BO and CO meet at O of angle CBE and BCD. We want to prove angle BOC equal to 90 degree minus half BAC angle. Here given some angle also is the x degree, this become the y degree, this become the z degree also given here. Okay. Now due to BO are the, we want to prove BO are the bisector of, BO is bisector of CBE angle. So CBO angle equal to half, or CBO angle equal to half CBE angle. So this equal to half CBE means, now we find what is this CBE. To find this 180 minus y degree. Due to here this portion and this portion means y plus y angle plus CBE angle. CBE angle equal to 180 means linear pair. So CBE angle equal to 180 minus y degree. Okay. So if we multiply half this side with the 90 minus y by 2. So similarly, CO is bisector of angle BCD. So BCO angle equal to half BCD. Half BCD equal to, BCD means half BCD equal to 180 minus Z. 180 minus Z. Similarly, our Z plus BCD equal to 180, linear pair. So BCD equal to 180 minus Z. So this value equal to 90 minus Z by 2. 90 minus Z by 2. Okay. Then now by the angle property of in triangle BOC, so angle BOC plus BCO angle plus CBO angle equal to 180 degree. So here BOC angle plus BCO equal to 90 minus Z by 2 plus CBO equal to 90 minus y by 2 equal to 180. Okay. Now here BOC equal to, if BOC plus 90 plus 90 180, or this can be here transfer there. BOC equal to 180 minus 90 plus Z by 2 plus y by 2. Okay. Then omit this. Now BOC equal to 180 minus 90 minus 180 plus Z by 2 plus y by 2. So 180 cancel. Now BOC equal to Z by 2 plus y by 2. Now we know here, x plus y plus z equal to 180 degree by sum of angle of triangle ABC. X plus y plus z equal to 180 degree. So y plus z equal to 180 minus x. Now if we divided by 2, so divided by 2 means y plus z by 2 equal to 180 minus x by 2. So y plus z by 2 equal to 90 minus x by 2. So here BOC equal to LCM 2 z plus y. Now BOC angle equal to, in place of this we can be put here 90 minus x by 2. So BOC angle equal to 90 minus, in place of x is the BAC angle by 2. We want to prove this much. Okay, your exercise 6.3 also over, makes your chapter also complete.